Crypto assets bounced back to begin 2023. Hello, I'm Kyle Rodder, and in this week's Cryptoverse, we review the quarter that was in crypto and look at the charts of three crypto markets. After a cold crypto winter in 2022, the value of crypto assets rebounded to begin 2023. While the price appreciation wasn't as broad-based as the pandemic bull market, a near doubling of Bitcoin prices from its lows has meant crypto is one of the best performing asset classes this year. There are several factors behind this trend. The first is an improvement in confidence in the crypto industry following several high-profile collapses last year, including the notorious failure of FTX. More recently, however, Bitcoin prices have returned as a trade against traditional fiat currencies, along with a bet on less aggressive monetary policy. Although it embroiled key crypto lenders, the ructions in the US banking system drove investors to seek out assets that may hedge against systemic issues in traditional finance. The highs for Bitcoin, which were around $29,000, came following the failure of Silicon Valley Bank and the forced acquisition of Credit Suisse by UBS. Related but separate to this is the expectations for far less aggressive policy from the US Federal Reserve. After the events in the US financial system, market participants and the Fed itself expect greater downside risk to economic activity from softer credit growth. Markets are pricing in no further rate hikes and eventually rate cuts from the Fed this year. That has led to a big drop in US Treasury yields. Even more pertinently, for an asset like Bitcoin, real yields, which is the nominal yield minus market pricing for future inflation, they've fallen, driving the price of a more volatile and non-yielding asset like Bitcoin higher. Here are three cryptos to watch this week. Bitcoin's price has risen 64% to begin the year, with price challenging resistance at around $29,000. Momentum is skewed to the upside with a weekly RSI above 50, with the next level of resistance above $29,000 just over $34,000. Support, meanwhile, appears to be around $25,000. The weekly RSI is also pointing higher for Ethereum as its price closes in on $2,000. The short-term trend is to the upside, while support appears to be around the 100 and 200-week moving averages. The Crypto 10 index is also moving higher owing to the strength of Ether and Bitcoin. However, price action still appears slightly range-bound, perhaps indicating a lack of breadth in the rally in crypto markets.